Hey guys, this is Melisha and welcome to Flipped Coding. So today we're going to be decoding some jargon and we're going to talk about polymorphism. So we're going to talk about what it is, how it works, and why we use it so that you'll have a good foundation for this concept and how you use it in the real world. So polymorphism just means that you can implement multiple methods in the same class with the same name, but each method has to have different parameters. That is it. That's all polymorphism means. You can implement multiple methods in the same class using the same method name, but each implementation has to have different parameters. That's it. You might know this as, method overriding. Same thing. And the way that it works is, let's say for example you have a superclass and it has a method called watch and it has its own implementation. So you want to make a derived class that inherits from that superclass. And that's fine, you can do that. Once you get that inheritance though, you can make a new implementation of that watch method. So as long as you have different parameters for your derived class's implementation of watch, you'll be fine. And that's how polymorphism works. It's really that simple. And the last thing we need to know is why we use it. So the main reason we use polymorphism is because sometimes when we're writing code and building out a project, we don't exactly know how many parameters we'll need up front. So you can use the same method name and have different parameters for each of those implementations so that when you use the code, to build your web app or whatever it is you're working on, you'll be able to get the right implementation of your method just by putting in the right number of parameters or putting in parameters that have the right data type. And that's why we use polymorphism. It makes it easy for us to keep the same method name but have different implementations for it. That helps us to keep things clean, and it helps us to not keep rewriting code or adding unnecessary stuff to the project. So that is polymorphism. We're done. And if you need any more help understanding this jargon like polymorphism, inheritance, whatever other made-up words web developers use, just come see me at Flipped Coding. I'll help you out. I'll teach you everything you need to know to get your first web development job, and we'll have a lot of fun together because my jokes are hilarious. So, I'll see you in the forums, and we'll go from there.